Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Guides is on the beat.
Hi my Zay dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zayra and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all. So as you can tell by the title, we haven't did one of these in I don't know how freaking long or whatever. But today we're gonna do one. I am rushing right now. I am behind time. Okay, so we're gonna do a little get ready with me. I did get my outfit out ahead of time because I didn't have time to like run it back and forth trying to figure out what I wanted to wear or whatever. It even took me a minute to do that, and that wasn't even on camera. So imagine if that was on camera. So we are in the process of doing like 3 videos in one time. We're installing a new wig, so this is sitting. I'm starting this get ready with me video because I'm gonna do my little eyebrows or whatever, give a little light face, and then we're gonna start vlogging right after. So yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Before I put this wig on or whatever, I did my face routine or whatever. Did my little wash, put my moisturizer on. I just need to shape up my eyebrows a little bit. I could just go in with, you know, a little razor, you know, shape them how I want. Where's that fan? He just want to be up here so bad. Like, he just want to be involved. Just want to be involved. So you sit right here. I'm not rubbing on you because I'm doing stuff, and I'm not about to keep touching you because I'm touching my face. So I'm gonna put my thing in a little bit closer. I'll probably zoom y'all in. So damn, the fan. Okay.
And sometimes we don't see each other as often. So I just
okay. What is happening? What is going on with this content? This is gonna be a really fast video. It is currently 8:15. Let's see how long it takes us to throw a little simple beat on or whatever. Oh my god. What are we gonna talk about, y'all? What are we gonna talk about? Nah, because if I talk, I'm not gonna get nothing done. Okay, this is good enough. This is good enough. I don't have time. I don't have time. That is perfectly fine. Because I was gonna do another girl talk or whatever. But let's see, what do I have going on? Stop licking me or you're gonna get down. What do I have going on right now? Bro, why you want to be under my armpit? Like, it's just... Okay, so y'all know how we going with the brows. I am gonna go a little. I am gonna be a little sloppy. Y'all know we use the NYX eyebrow gel or whatever.
look at that. Yeah.
What do I have going on? This is probably going to be like one of the last videos that you guys see before y'all start seeing school content again, because we're going back to school in about 3 days from this video. Because today is... what is today's day? Oh, today's August 18th. We're supposed to be leaving for school on the 20th, but I need one last lit night in the town before your girl go bye-bye. I don't even know.
It's really getting okay. So this is the...
I do not like that brow, but it is something with this eye, this contact that is killer. But I don't know what to like. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to say.
And then this is her body polish. It has lactic acid in it. I don't really know too much about lactic acid.
Get from out of there. Come here.
Oh my goodness. And she also has this lit in the AM candle.
Yeah, these eyebrows are horrible, y'all. I don't even know. I couldn't even talk while I was doing them because I can't talk while I'm doing eyebrows. I don't even know. I am scraping the edges of this concealer. Y'all already know we're going in with Fawn. Okay, they're my favorite one. I think this fan is drying out my contacts right now. Okay. A brush. These brushes is from Amazon. But I love them. Yo!
Wheel options from 18 to 22 inches, plus the back end goes
prepare these. Well, I'm gonna prepare these afterwards. And then
Well, I should have just did it anyway, because that was just my under eyes have been getting really out of control, so we have to conceal that. We don't gotta squeeze out of that one. We got another one right here. This is really good. I was like, smushy with some crunchy. I'm not like that.
The crazy part is, and my girls, if you agree with me or whatever, if you feel comfortable with any of the comments about this, please do, because it's very good.
I have an appointment.
I hope I'm not doing much. I'm just going to get drinks. First of all, would y'all believe, like I just said, we leave on Sunday and I have not one thing packed. But this is what I decided to do with my time. I'd rather do this. I'd rather do this than pack. Because at this point, we just gonna throw everything in the bag. And if we leave something, come back and get it. Or have mommy ship it. Because at this point, I'm so ready to graduate, y'all.
Today is so cold.
Yo, that summer class I had? Keep checking my phone. That summer class I had? That summer class could kiss my ass. The teacher could kiss my ass.
But I
swear to God, when I go to school and I see that.
whenever I put my tongue on,
You're not getting up here. No. I'm not getting up here. No.
and then I took on this hair lotion from Luna SPC, and I also sprayed
My eye, I think it's this fan that's draining on my eye.
They feel uneven. I'm gonna try to figure out the stretch.
I don't like this eyebrow.
I'm about to watch it. So, this those are really a hoodie. What is this? Like a sweatshirt. Yeah, this sweatshirt. Essential. Y'all already know. This one bag.
I don't like these
I
eyebrows.
told y'all this was my early bag. So yeah, this is really small. Like that. I have some packages to go through and oh my god, you know what? That's what I'm wearing. First, urban skin over and best in my
Yo, these eyebrows are nowhere near. Listen, I really don't have time to dwell on it. Out my room! Out my room! Out my room! Out my room!
alcohol. This is the best flavor. This one. I don't get no other flavor. Just the strawberry. 14% sugar.
And my lace is not even like cut off my wig. So he's doing a lot. Alright, I underestimated them. Not really. I gotta go get my set powder. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just put on a pair of lashes that one of these companies done sent to me with the wigs or whatever. Oh my god, we're doing horrible on time. It is 8:40. Y'all know this is how I put my lashes on, right? I feel like this is the best way to put lashes on.
So she says okay, period.
Applicator. I don't know which company these ones is from, but we gonna put these on.
Looking at this over.
We're putting these on.
And he did something. That one is that compressed. It surely is. It surely is a little bit pressed. But okay, so that's my right.
Oh, these is way longer than I thought.
And why did my cartoon so bad?
I don't like
I
these.
don't know. This first one popped off. I had to look at my first one like this.
Get from over there. I don't like these.
Lashes. I love them. Really.
I don't know. Okay, we about to put on 2 separate lashes right quick. These ones is from Wiggins, the wig that I'm actually installing right now. So let's see what they talking with theirs. This is them. Boom. I think I had a pair on like this the other day. Like these ones better already.
Just pick up a little thing. Best night, you know, do that. It's product placement, brand placement, I mean. You know what I mean? But yes, I just picked up my order. And the diamond is so nice. Like, I love the customer service. I want to stick with it.
I don't know.
I'm about to find a.
Did I put these on the wrong way?
What's that called? Oh wow.
I don't know. Is this supposed to be that? Or is this supposed to be this?
All the way.
Yeah, this is out.
He was pooping, and then he just stopped.
Put a little bit more.
I know you got up.
Well, we do not have time to be losing stuff.
With the grandpa shoes.
We are a hot mess, y'all. We could never be on time. At this point, we need to get our life together and grow up.
Emphasis on the a little bit. And I'm over here trying to say a lot of it.
Okay, yeah, this is supposed to be this way. This is the right way. This is the right way. Now we can move along. Move along. I know, you probably gotta go to the bathroom and I'm gonna take you. Let me just, cause what is on your tongue? Where's your toy? Go get a toy so we can play fetch real quick. Cause I need to distract you. You're gonna stop barking at me. I wish you could just go inside your cage. I think I'm just gonna lock you in the cage so you could just use the bathroom in there. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Okay, you guys, we have officially ran out of time. So this is what we about to do, right? We're about to smack this on our face. Good thing we're just putting on a dress. We are putting on a white dress. While I smear this in, I want to say shout out to Teddy Blake, New York, for sponsoring this video, you guys. Our bag that we are wearing tonight is from them, which is freaking bomb. I needed a gray bag for a minute now, so I'm so glad that they reached out to me. And I got to that point, like, it's not just hair sponsorships now. I did one of them little unboxing reels. Okay, this looks horrible. I did one of them little, like, unboxing reels for, like, IG or whatever. So you guys are gonna see that before you see this video. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna contour my face.
Now, it doesn't even look bad.
And I'm gonna insert the clip that I made of the bag.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Okay, you guys, I'm dressed. I threw the face together. The hair is, it's gonna be alright. Okay. So yeah, I have on the Meniere Devolve dress that I had ordered that was in a trial haul, the loose fitting one, just because that was something quick and easy to throw on. I have on my gray Como de Garçons Converses. I want to give y'all a full body. I have no earrings in, which is so freaking ghetto. This is the infamous Teddy Blake bag that I have. Let me see if I can really get it. Okay. This is the full fit.
And take y'all along with me.
This is what we have on. This is how we're going. I just threw it together in like 5 seconds. I gotta go right now. So shout out to Teddy Blake, New York, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for my bag. As you can tell, I'm wearing it and I'm about to head out. So you guys already know what I'm gonna say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It's your girl Zaybro, and I'm out. Later.